our under-counter refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 27 inches, a depth of 29.5 inches, and height with caster wheels, we have 35.5 inches tall. Please note that the film covering the stainless steel can be peeled off. Bottom swing door, and included is one shelf that can be adjusted to height. The measurements for the shelf will include 17 inches in depth by 22 inches in length. Interior dimensions, we have 23 inches in length, 13 inches in depth, by 23 inches in height. Coming to the right column will be the ETL certification sticker along with a thermometer. Coming to the back of the unit will be the 110-120 voltage along with the temperature control. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.